How to fix Spotify, something went wrong. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings and Privacy. In Privacy, click on Data, Saving and Offline. Here, scroll down and click on Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache. After you've done that, hold on to the Spotify app in your home screen and then click on App Info at the top. After you click on App Info at the top, click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache in here as well. After you've done this, open Play Store and search Spotify. And then if there is any update available, update the app. After that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Spotify, something went wrong. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.